It's a warm and sunny winter's day today. It's 16 degrees outside, but we want to keep it warmer in here. So if we kept it at 21 degrees, that's a 5-degree temperature difference. And physics tells us that the amount of heat that a house will lose is proportional to the temperature difference. So if you're comfortable living with a house at 20 degrees, you will actually save 20% on your fuel bills and reduce your emissions by 20%. This is a thermostatic radiator valve. The way they work is they sense the temperature at this point and turn the radiator valve on and off. They're not usually calibrated in temperature because they're measuring the temperature at this point low down, and what you sense in a room really is the temperature around your chest height. The thermostatic radiator valve allows you to control the temperature of the room automatically. You don't have to do anything. It just sets the temperature and your room will be comfortable. The calibration on this one is from 0 to 6. And unlike knobs like we have on radios, where when you turn up the volume, the change is instantaneous, the volume goes up. With a thermostatic radiator valve, you've got to wait for the whole room to warm up. So the way you set them is you turn them up to about the middle of its range, say 3 in this case, and the radiator comes on and you walk out of the room and wait for about half an hour for the room to warm up. And when you come back into the room, it's warmed up, but perhaps it has not warmed up enough. If that's the case, you go back to your thermostatic radiator valve and turn it up a notch. Obviously, if it is too warm in the room, you turn it down and then walk out of the room again and wait a bit.